Hi, my name is Aaron. I'm from Gabkotech Innovations. I'm the CEO of the company, and our purpose is actually to come up with AI and smart technologies for smart buildings and security solutions. How we envision AI to work in Industry 5.0 is that because the number of, I would say, a single human being will actually see more and more camera feeds in an environment, right? So our AI actually helps with technology, able to help the officer to actually take away the fatigue and the human error by viewing so many cameras at one go, So AI is able to help them to streamline which are the cameras that's of interest and of focus that they should be attentioning to. Our technology actually leverages on existing infrastructure. We don't need the building owner or the security provider to actually replace existing cameras. We're able to use the existing network video recorders that's available with the IP cameras that they were able to already streamline certain amount of incidents and video footages or streams that's related to incidents. And coupled with our AI boxes and our VA, we are then able to clearly identify, right, those algorithms or those abnormalities that will happen on site and bring to the officer's attention. Okay, by doing so, we're actually leveraging on existing infrastructure rather than replacing all new equipment. That has always been our goal and our challenge, to make technology more affordable to the mass public, and therefore we can make security protection even stronger across all buildings. With a cost of $75 per camera stream, we think that is very cost competitive and effective, which can service a lot of small SMEs, medium enterprises, small buildings, even government enterprises could also benefit from this cost benefit. And we have a dedicated team to roll out the solutions effectively. As we see AI and robotics come into play more often into our way of life, actually all these systems will be integrated well with AI, because AI will be the gelling factor across all these subsystems, making us more scalable, and I would say interoperable among various technologies. So AI will be the new defining language across different subsystems.